Did you know in 2025, scientists discovered a new species of bioluminescent fungi in the Amazon rainforest, glowing in vibrant colors that change with the temperature? This incredible find not only adds to our understanding of biodiversity, but also has potential applications in sustainable lighting. Imagine walking through a forest illuminated by these natural lights. Additionally, researchers have unveiled a bizarre phenomenon, a rare type of jellyfish that can essentially reverse its aging process. This jellyfish, known as Turritopsis dohrnii, has fascinated scientists, raising questions about the secrets of longevity and regeneration. And here's a mind-bender. A team of archaeologists uncovered a 5,000-year-old city in the Sahara Desert, revealing advanced urban planning and irrigation systems that challenge our understanding of ancient civilizations. These discoveries remind us that our planet is full of surprises, waiting to be explored and understood.